Yes, you two people. Good night there. We have a video for you guys. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to the video. Anyway, here we have a challenge for you guys. Lime juice and 3 chicks. So we're gonna sip the lime juice 3 times. Who sip the lime juice without making a face, they lose. Yeah. So we're gonna time each other by doing it. Yes, I hope you guys have a nice day. Like we have a nice day today. Although we got all around the world. We go all around Jamaica today. We enjoy ourselves at the beach party, but so it goes sometimes. We last more than one time, but we have fun same way. Yeah. So hope you guys have a nice Saturday. Remember like, share, and subscribe to the video. Yeah. So ready now. So we're gonna start the video. See it here. And ready, set, go. Drink. This lines have killed everything in me. You have to eat the lime juice. Me drink lime juice. You should buy this, you eat everything and now I drink lime juice. I'm not gonna make up a food. So I drink lime juice, I could drink yourself. Kevin, it's too bitter. People can start cheating on people. You got to cheating. Nobody can think this without make face.
Done.
Why put the plate? I joke. Drink it off.
You drink it up?
Yeah, I feel drink it off. We all to do that. We always do that. Yo. I know truth is alive. Let me have lime tree going on truth now. No, you're bad. You win. Guys, it's bad. Me ever go try to test her again. No man. If you think this I'm doing so fast. It's bitter, you know. And I drink this, you know. And this worse than rum. No man. Alright. So me left back with. So finish that. Finish this lime juice. Me have my semen.
Face. The face.
Mama, is this
Face.
this lime juice that give me strokes? Alright. You can finish it one, finish it one. I love sweet. Sweet. I love sweet. Anyway, guys, tune in again. So, next video again, my winner. 2 win for she, 1 for me. Yeah. So, remember we're gonna have the pepper chicken challenge for you guys. So you guys forget to see me do a next pepper chicken challenge. Hope this one, but do the pepper chicken challenge. First one me do the pepper. This is chicken over the pepper sauce. So you guys gonna get to see it. She gonna do it too. Me not gonna do it and see what happened with it night. So remember to like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Me get back my voice look a bit. Voice that go rip on me. So me get back look a bit. Yeah. Thank Father God for me get back my voice look a bit, but more on voice. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy yourself. Enjoying Saturday. We enjoy ourselves, like me tell. We enjoy ourselves doing this for you guys. And we go to the beach and get lost about 5 or 6 times. But we still reach the beach. Enjoy yourself. Yeah. Maybe you guys get to see it. They might put it up for you to get to see look up part of cause and not. We need to get for vlog it cause it was a local place, so we just get like a local vlog and height. So thank you guys. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.